Hi everyone. Today's video is very much a reset moment for me. I've been growing out my natural nails and just taking a little break from the usual extensions. So I wanted to sit down and do a simple Valentine's-inspired manicure using regular nail polish. Londontown Lakur sent over some beautiful shades, some prep products. So we're going to prep, we're going to nourish, and we're going to create a soft, wearable Valentine's Day nail look. So let's get into it, shall we? So just very gently patting everything dry. I find that the drier, the better. Unless you're not doing your nails, go ahead and nourish and all of that. But because we're going to be doing polish and all of that, I'm just leaving everything nice and dry. So let's continue with prep. Here I have my glass cuticle pusher and nail file. Let's start off with the cuticle pusher. So we're going to do just a little bit of gentle cuticle care and nail shaping. This is very important, especially because I'm growing out my natural nails. So I'm just very gently pushing the cuticle back. How pretty is this pink? Glass nail files are a lot more gentle on your nails. So just a little bit of shaping on the natural nail, rounding off the edges so they're not sharp. And the great thing about these is you just go ahead and clean it off with some alcohol and you're all set, sanitized and ready to go. So this is the polish remover. This is something I keep on hand in case I'm making any mistakes and I need to just clean up. But of course, this is nail polish remover. Now this is non-drying and it doesn't leave my nails feeling stripped or overly dry, which especially is important because I'm in the phase of, trying to grow these little guys out. And let's start off with a little bit of pretty much a base coat. This is great if you want just a little tint on your nails. So I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of this. It's a very light tint, but this is base. In a couple of minutes and our base is dry. I'm going to just set up for our little nail art. I'm going to put just a little bit of this in here and keep it covered. I'm just going to use a little dotting tool. For the polish shades, I'm sticking with soft Valentine's tones, red, pink, and then a deeper burgundy. This is Magnolia Haze. This is Vendetta. This is Elderberry. I'm leaning into a very simple design inspired by soft heart accents rather than anything bold and too much. So think a clean base and tiny details. I'm going to apply Magnolia Haze all over as my base color. More than likely, I'm going to need more than one coat of this because it's such a soft tone. So this is what the first coat looks like. It's definitely sheer, but I'm going to let this dry and then I'll go in with a second. Maybe we'll need a third, we'll see. This is so pretty, very elegant. It's been a couple of minutes. Let's go in with our second coat. And a tip that I can share with you is don't swirl your brush around when you're trying to remove products. Simply just wipe the edges. Because when you swirl, you create bubbles. And then if you need more, you can just scoop it off the sides like that. Okay, that second layer is pretty good coverage, but it's still sheer. Let's let it dry down and see if we're going to need another. Probably. I'm going to give it more time in between, though, so that they can dry thoroughly. It's really a pretty color. And yep, it smudged my pinky. Oh my goodness. Oh, it was bound to happen, but that's okay. So here is what the second coat looks like. Because this is the second layer, I am going to give this a few more minutes than I did the first layer so that it can dry. I really like this color. This is so pretty. I feel like I should do another coat because I didn't do the greatest of jobs right here. Like, look at the thumb. I missed the side. But then I don't know. Let me do one more on the thumb and then I'll decide. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to lock in so I don't miss any spots on the thumb. So this is what 3 coats looks like. It's pretty full coverage now. Yeah, maybe I should do 3 coats on everybody. Okay, let's. So here are 3 coats, very much more coverage. I like the sheer, but this is nice. And I think this is going to go well with the design that I have planned for today's look. And then the thumb looks a lot better. All right, so let me give it some time to dry and then we'll get into the fun artwork. So I'm going to alternate between these 2, but let me do one at a time since this is nail polish and I don't want it to dry out. I'm going to start with Vendetta. Got my little dotting tool. I'm just gonna take. Okay. And then make a little heart. Okay. It's a cute little heart. So now I'm going to take elderberry and just a little touch of elderberry. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. All right, now, since I have elderberry, let me go ahead and make the heart. So I'm doing 3 little dots with Vendetta. Yeah. How cute. How absolutely cute. There's like just the slightest amount of texture with this heart. So I'm hoping that when I go over with top coat, it smooths it out. But look how cute. And I love how delicate, simple, but still a little splash of Valentine's, but it's still very elegant and simple. All right, let's wait for these to dry, which should be very quickly. Now I'm going to go in and apply my top coat, and then we will do our treatment. This has got a nice thin texture and consistency, not too thick, but it's still going to give me that smooth and glossy finish without needing a lamp, but all the benefits of gel. Oh, oh no, wasn't dry enough. Oh no. Okay, it's kind of cool. It's hurt. Oh no. Oh man. I didn't wait long enough. Okay. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna remove this whole thing. Let's start over. That way I can fix the heart, because it was going in the wrong direction anyways. Now this time, I'm gonna give this a lot of time to dry. This is my last step, and it's something I really enjoy a few times a week. And since I've been taking a break from extensions, this adds a lot of moisture and it just feels really nourishing on the nails and the cuticle. And it's a nice way to finish everything off and give the nails that extra care. And to really lock it all in, I put on my glove and leave it for about 15, sometimes more, and just let my cuticles and my hands really soak in all that nourishment. This is something that you can use on your hands and your feet, and it does a great job. So put some of this, put some socks on, go to sleep, and you will have the softest feet. I really loved sitting down and doing something simple and relaxing like this on my natural nails. Taking a break from extensions has been such a nice reset, and this kind of manicure just feels easy and wearable. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up, and feel free to share what you've been wearing on your nails right now, or what Valentine's style are you looking forward to? I appreciate you so much. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.